Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about uh, Google Assistant is not working, how to fix in POCO smartphone. Let's check. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. Friends, first you have to, here it is the Google Assistant. You have to just simply just click on it and click on get started. Here you have to just search here Google Assistant, and if it is not showing there, then you have to simply come to the settings. Here you have to find apps like this, then you have to search here Google Assistant. If there is no showing Google Assistant, then you can check in the Play Store if it is there, like this. You have to write assistant, and friends, here it is. If it is not installed, you have to install it, and then you have to simply first click on open and then press back. Here you can see this icon show, then long press it, click on I button. First here you have to clear the cache, then clear the storage, then press back, go to mobile data and Wi-Fi, and you have to off the background data, then press back, go to this permission. If it is there, then you have to allow all the permissions. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.